Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are quickly going to continue the competition before the next performance for the evening begins. So, champions, you are at 10 points right now, and rockstars, you are at 15 points right now. So, you are already leading, but champions, you have a chance to come back and be the winner of this evening, for which again you have to quickly nominate two people from your group who are going to come forward and participate in the activity to uphold that champion's flag. Who's going to be that person who's going to walk in first? Two people is what I need. Okay, two people, two guys, come on, two guys. I'm making it easy. Two guys, quickly, champions, send in two guys. Rockstars, send in two guys, quickly. Can we have two guys from Rockstars join us here? Two guys. And two guys from Champions, can we have you here? Okay, I think two guys from Rockstars are already here, am I right? Are you guys from Rockstars? Sir, are you from the Rockstar team? Okay, sir, I'll ask you to join us. Sir? Sir, don't worry, it'll be very easy and you will have a partner in crime. I'd request you to please join. Sir, please join us. Okay, so Rockstars is ready. The team Rockstars is ready with two of their members. Okay, now team champions, do we have nominations? Yes, we have the first member, sir. Quickly pick out the second member. The second member. Who is going to be? Okay, sir, kindly join us. Sir, with the cap, please join us. I have a separate game for the ladies in here, which is going to happen after this. But this one is for our champions and the rock stars. Can we have their props, please? Can we give the champions the Punjabi costume? Yes. Okay, so guys, this is your costume. This is your costume. He's going to help you with it. Okay. Please stand here, sir, so that everybody can see you. Please stand here. And this is for the rock stars. This is the costume for you guys. Okay, so now I'll tell you, all the kids out here, you guys wanted to dance, right? So you can stand up. You can stand up. All the kids who want to dance, stand up. All the kids who want to dance, quickly stand up. Because once I start the track, then I won't allow anybody else to stand up. If you want to dance, quickly stand up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so the kids who belong to the team champions can join there, and the kids who belong to the team rockstars can join us here. Quickly, come on. No, no, not on the stage. No, not on the stage. Your team members are here, right here. From Rockstar. Yes, rockstars here. Rockstars here. Come on, quickly here. Not on the stage. Not on the stage. Here, with your team members. And the team champions here, okay? Let the men lead you. Let the men lead you. So we'd request you to kindly come forward. Okay, now this is going to be a dance-off. Once again, between team champions and the team rockstars, we are going to start with the rockstars this time. Can we have the Alama Dolama track for them? Everybody, are you ready? Okay, the track, please. Sir.
Alma dolma isa langdi malma techi gali jine cracky uta salma.
Okay, everybody from the Rockstars who wants to join can join us.
Palchin pal balak mita mena lokale. Tumugna tumagoli atti pona yanagina arikna murukna tawta yata yarga टेंशन पल पलक मिटा मैंने लोकले
Okay, Team Rockstars, that was fantastic. Give yourselves a round of applause. Brilliant. Brilliant effort, guys. And now, can we have the track for the team champions? Okay. Now is when you start dancing. Everybody, come on. Everybody who belongs to this team. Oh! Let me see those hands up in the air. Everybody, come on. Okay, now champions and the rock stars together. Come on, let me see you all dancing. The champions and the rock stars together. Come on. Everybody who's standing there can also join us. Come on, everybody.
ਗਿਣਗਿਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿਣਗਿਣੀਆਂ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ ਹੋ ਹੋ
Okay, time to score you all. Before that, can I request you all to please go back and take your seats? Quickly, quickly. And before I say anything else, can I request everybody in here to give a huge, massive, humongous round of applause to all the lovely kids in here. Come on, everybody, let's hear it for the kids. So, ladies and gentlemen, we just have 2 more performances left. I'd request you all to kindly be seated for these performances. The food is going to be served later in the evening, of course. And also, it is raining outside, so you might as well just sit inside and enjoy the performances that we are going to present to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we very proudly present to you a band that is homegrown, a band that is officially associated or officially tied up with RCB. This is a band that is focused on percussions. This is a band that uses the African and Arabian instruments like the djembe and darbuka, and they are here to give you a very fine musical experience. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, make some noise, and let's welcome on stage Beat Gurus!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So very good evening. Say good evening. Good morning. No one here? Good morning. Says good evening, right? So we all here. Fantastic. Okay. The track which we just played is called Green Rhythm. You all like it? You liked it? This side a little low. Are we all here? Fantastic. Very good. Okay. The track which we just played is called Green Rhythm. Otherwise, it was just a sound check. Our upcoming track would be our special one, which we have named it as The Highway to Madagascar. Hope you all like this track. Thank you. Check. Thank you. Hope you had a great journey towards Madagascar. You liked it? Need some more music? Then what you all should need to do? Shout out loud. Yes? Are we all here? Fantastic. Our upcoming track would be a special one. So I'm requesting you all, people sitting behind there, standing behind there, to please come forward. We have a special sequence happening now, which we call it as the Flute Fantasy. Our biggest regards to Mr. Remo Fernandez. And this is the track. Here it goes. The Flute Fantasy for you all. Check. Thank you all. Now here comes one special dancing sequence. And I want all the ladies and gentlemen to please come forward. Otherwise, I'm going to choose you. Ready? Ready? How about this lady sitting in the front? No, 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 you have to come. Also the gentleman as well. Yes. Yes, let's all welcome him. How about others here? I can see one lady and one gentleman. How about others here? How about you, ma'am? With the red. Please come forward. How about you, gentlemen here? Next to you. Yes, please stand up. Okay, now 5 of you here. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of you here. So your biggest responsibility today is, what you need to do is, you need to go pull up a friend of yours. Okay, I'm going to count down 10. Yeah, so that you need to get your friend along. Your countdown starts now. Say 10, 9, 8, 7. How many as much as possible? 10 as well. Okay, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.5, 4, 3. Is that all? Come on, some more people, hurry up, please come forward. I can hardly see 10 people here. How about others? Children, you are also welcome. Please come forward. Please come forward. Are we ready? All the ladies and gentlemen, a special Indian song for you all, which we call it as a special tapang. Be here, jump here, clap here, do everything right here. A special Indian track for you all. It's not end, just the beginning. We all set, ready to dance? Here we go. different now? How about something different? Ready to dance? Here we go. Now here comes one more special track. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This will be our last track. Hope you all enjoy this track. Thank you.
Thank you, Beat Gurus, for that amazing performance. Ladies and gentlemen, you can continue dancing. We are going to be presenting to you an extraordinary Jugalbandi right now. And this is going to be a Jugalbandi that is going to be performed by a liquid LED drummer, Mahesh. And we are going to have the DJ, that is Sanjay, who is one of the most renowned DJs in the city, come up on stage and have a Jugalbandi. And this is a Jugalbandi that is going to make sure that everybody out here gets their feet tapping. While from now. But before that, are you all ready to dance the night away? Finally, it seems like the bunch that truly enjoys dancing is all set and they are just waiting for the music to start. And that will happen in a very short while from now. We have Sanjay, we have our drummer, everybody is ready. And you too should be ready to enjoy the performance that is going to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank all of you all for being such a fantastic audience. This evening would not have been possible, could not have been possible without your immense support and your 100% participation in everything that we planned and executed for you all. So thank you so much for being such a fantastic audience. Of course, a massive round of applause and a big thank you to the entire organizing committee that made this event possible for everybody. I think we should all thank the organizing committee and thank ourselves for being such an amazing audience. Thank you so much. The ordinary Jugalbandi that I am talking about is about to begin. We have Sanjay, who is a DJ, a very famous DJ in the whole of Bangalore. He's going to be playing some foot tapping numbers for everybody out here. And we have Mahesh, who is a drummer, who's going to be playing a live drum for all of us. And he's not just going to be playing the drum, it's going to be an extraordinary drumming that you're going to witness right here, right now. This is going to be the liquid LED drumming. So ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Sanjay and Mahesh.
छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के
पीछे कुआं आगे मेरे खाई तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ
ले फिकर आजा इधर बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor
shake the booty shake the booty shake the hardcore show it out hit it with the party hit it with the give me some more 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor shake the booty shake the hardcore show it out hit it with the party hit it with the give me some more आँख भी जाने का है फड़के मेरी पाई कुंडली में हो जैसे उल्टी दशा आई
लटक मटक सी
थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
I wanna see you, I wanna see you.
Oh, you don't have to be the last one standing. Oh, show me be the one.
तू दिल में आके, तू मेरी राजा, तेरा दिल पाके, मैं तेरे उत्ते मरता।
गला मेरी करदा, मैं करके बखा जा। मेरी आँखों आ जा, सोनिया, down.
I wanna see you wine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum, diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
Got me like crazy, that you're calling.
With a bum, diggy diggy bum bum.
Got me like crazy, that you're calling.
दिल पे तेरा पतला तेरा, जद तोरदी सितारां वाले खावे। और नीचे तोरे कुड़िए, हुण मुंडियां दे खुश कित्थों आवे। इना किनी दी अख वालीए, इना किनी दी अख वालीए, इना किनी दी अख वालीए, सब कीरत तू कबूल तवारे। ओ दारू बदनाम करती, ए ताने ना तेरे हाथ दे कारी। ओ दारू बदनाम करती, ए ताने ना तेरे हाथ दे कारी। स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत।
इश्क से ऊंचा, इश्क से बढ़कर, इश्क से अच्छा, इश्क बिना हो कुछ नहीं। चाहे जो आए लेके दिल में इश्क मोहब्बत, सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत।
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत। स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत।
रहना बनके दिल ही है मंजिल, मंजिल पे तुम मिल, सबका है ये कहना। चाहे जो आए लेके दिल में इश्क इबादत, सबको गले लगाना अपने कल्चर की है आदत।
स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत। Y'all ready to bring the rip back?
मुझसे सुरूर है, सिर्फ तेरा ये जरूर है, तेरी
ಅಮಾಯಕ ಜಾನ ಮುಂಬೈಕ ಜಾನಲೆ ಇವನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಗಿಡಬೇಡ ಸಿಡಿಲು ಬಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಗದೆ ಆಗ तूफान जब भी मिलता है ऐसा बारूद पैदा होता है खुदा जरा देखो आलों के बंदे सुल्तान इब्ने अड्डा बंदे सैतान इब्ने खुदा जरा रोको अड़गितोनू गजा उगिलतोनू गजा बम्बई की गलियां भी घबरा के यूं बोलेंगे सलाम रॉकी भाई रॉकी सलाम रॉकी भाई सलाम रॉकी भाई इलाका तेरा भाई तू है सबका भाई
ये गोली सोडावे ये करी कोळंबे वो कुट्टी पप्पी ना टेक मी
ఏ సిల్క్ సట్ట నీ వెయిట్ కట్ట లవ్ సొట్ట సొట్ట టాప్ మీ
హే మై డియర్ మచ్చా నీ మనసే వచ్చా నమ ఓరే సికలా నెజ జిగ జిగ
మడి రాణి என் ட்ரீம்ல வாணி நம்ம ஒன்னா சேர ஃபயர் பத்திக்கு ரிச்சா
నమ బీచ్ పక్కో పోతా ముల్డ పాంగుతే వేస్తా నీ ఎన్నుడయ రౌడీ బేబీ
You my only girlfriend I'll give you 2 cent we'll make us new trend baby
పోతా వేస్తా రౌడీ బేబీ
అబ్బాయి మనసునే అమ్మాయి లాగేసి తలగడలా నొక్కేస్తే ఏమైతాది
मस्त मास वस्तादी बेस्ट ऊपొస్తాది హై 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 రాయే రాయే నా రాకాసే నువ్వే బయటేసే అట్టా దోపేస్తే
టాపులేసి పోందే పాప టాపులేసి పోందే పాప
రారో రారో నా శివ కాసి అగ్గి రాజేసి సిగ్గు పెట్టేస్తే టాబులేసి పోదే పోదే పోపో టాబులేసి పోదే పోదే పోపో
చెట్టు మీద మ్యాంగోలా నువ్వెంత చక్కగున్నావే
చాకు లాంటి పిల్లాడే ఎంత షార్పుగున్నాడే
చాకొచ్చి మ్యాంగో కోస్తే టాపులేసి పోతే కన్నే కొట్టావంటే టాపులేసి పోతే ముద్దే పెట్టావంటే
టాబులేసి పోతే వెయ్యే పట్టాబట్టే టాబు టాబు టాబులేసి పోతే రో
వారే నోట నోడైతే కాలు ಕೆರದು ನಿಲ್ತೈತೆ ಗುಡುರು ಹಾಕಿ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಎದುರು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗುಂತೈತೆ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ನೋಬಲು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲು ಇವನ ಗುಂಗೆ ಡಪ್ಪಲ್ಲು ಆಡೋ ಆಟ ಬಹಳ ಚಾಲು ಬೇಕಾ ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಲು ಹೆಸರು ಕದರು ತಿಮಿರು ನೋಡೋನ್ಗೆ ಬೆವರು ಬ್ರದರು
அப்படி போடு 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 அஸ்தி போடு கண்ணாலே இப்படி போடு 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 இழுத்து போடு கையாலே
உன்னோட ஊருக்கு உப்பு மூட்டை ஏறிக்கிறேன் உன்னோட கண்ணா பொத்தி கண்ணா மூட்டி ஆட வரேன் இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போடு 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 அஸ்தி போடு கண்ணாலே இப்படி போடு 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 இழுத்து போடு கையாலே
மன்மதராசா மன்மதராசா கண்ணி மனசா கிள்ளாதே கண்ணுல லேசா என்ன கணக்கு பண்ணாதே பச்சை உடம்புல உச்சி நரம்புல கிச்சு 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 முட்டாதே என் முத்த உசுருல முத்து கொலுசுல உன்னை வச்சு வச்சு கூட்டாதே மன்மதராசா மன்மதராசா
மன்மதராசா உன்னை முழுசா தின்னானே கண்ணுல லேசா இத்து பிடிச்சு நின்னானே பச்சை உடம்புல உச்சி நரம்புல கிச்சு 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 வச்சானே மொத்த உசுருல முத்து கொலுசுல என்ன வச்சு வச்சு தச்சானே மன்மதராசா மன்மதராசா
పాషు పాషు పరదేశి నేను ఫర్ నుంచి వచ్చేసాను
हल्ले मिन्नू तेरे बिन हर पल ये तन्हाई दा दस मिन्नू नागल वांगू मौसम तेरी जुदाई दा ओए हल्ले मिन्नू तेरे बिन हर पल ये तन्हाई दा दस मिन्नू नागल वांगू मौसम तेरी जुदाई दा एक पल भी मैं भुल न पावां तेरी मिठियां बातां नू रोक न पावां अखियां विचों आउंदियां बरसातां नू इश्क तेरा तड़पावे इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high flows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez. Toma un aquí, booty explota como Nagasaki. Prende los motores Kawasaki. En la discota Jenny llegaron los Anunnaki. No le baje, el booty sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. El booty sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high flows. Boy,
वो लगदी लम्हा हो 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 वो लगदी लम्हा हो 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 वो लगदी लम्हा हो 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 हो
ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਆ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਆ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਆ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਦਾ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਆ ਬੰਬੇ ਦੀ ਗਰਮੀ ਵਾਂਗ
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body.